Video editing has become an integral part of content creation, and two of the most popular software choices in the industry are Adobe Premiere Pro and Blackmagic Design's DaVinci Resolve. Both applications offer powerful features and capabilities that cater to the needs of professional video editors. We'll compare Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve across various aspects to help you choose the best software for your editing needs. User interface. Premiere Pro boasts a user-friendly and intuitive interface, making it easier for beginners to get started. Its timeline-based editing approach, familiar to many users, allows for easy organization of clips, effects, and transitions. On the other hand, DaVinci Resolve provides a more advanced interface that may seem overwhelming at first. However, once users become familiar with its layout, they can benefit from the software's robust color, grading, and correction tools. Editing features. Both Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve offer a wide range of editing features. Premiere Pro is known for its seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Photoshop and After Effects, which allows for smooth workflow transitions. It also offers advanced audio editing capabilities and a vast library of effects and transitions. DaVinci Resolve, on the other hand, excels in color grading and correction, providing powerful tools to achieve professional-level results. Its Fusion tab offers advanced visual effects and motion graphics capabilities. Performance and stability. Premiere Pro has been widely recognized for its stability and performance, making it a reliable choice for large-scale editing projects. It utilizes GPU acceleration and provides optimized playback, even with high-resolution footage. DaVinci Resolve, while also efficient, may require more powerful hardware resources due to its demanding processing requirements, especially when working with complex color, grading, and effects. However, it has significantly improved over the years and continues to enhance its performance. Color grading. DaVinci Resolve is renowned for its exceptional color grading tools and is often the preferred choice for professional colorists. It offers advanced features such as HDR grading, custom curves, and logarithmic color space manipulation. Premiere Pro also provides color grading capabilities, but DaVinci Resolve's dedicated focus on color correction gives it an edge in this aspect. Collaboration and workflow. Premiere Pro's integration with Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem makes collaboration seamless. Editors can easily share projects, media files, and edits with team members. Additionally, Premiere Pro's industry-standard file compatibility ensures smooth workflows across different platforms. DaVinci Resolve offers collaborative features as well, but its focus on color grading and correction may limit its adoption in certain collaborative workflows. Price and accessibility. Premiere Pro is available through Adobe's subscription-based model, which provides access to other Creative Cloud applications. This pricing structure can be advantageous for users who require a suite of creative tools. DaVinci Resolve, on the other hand, offers a free version with limited features, as well as a full-featured studio version at a one-time cost. This makes it an attractive option for users on a budget or those who primarily require robust color grading capabilities. Both Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve are powerful video editing software options, catering to different needs and preferences. Premiere Pro excels in user-friendliness, seamless integration, and a comprehensive suite of editing features. On the other hand, DaVinci Resolve stands out with its exceptional color grading tools and advanced visual effects capabilities. The choice between the two ultimately depends on your editing requirements, budget, and level of expertise. Consider evaluating your specific needs to determine which software will best suit your video editing endeavors.